Cajun Kevin here with my Grom, 2014 Grom. I finally decided on which full exhaust I wanted. I looked at all of them and I picked the M4. Let's take a look at it up close. Pipe small here, coming out from the cylinder. Then it opens up here. Nice wells. They got real good wells on the exhaust. There's the rivets. Nice looking exhaust. I decided the main reason I picked this exhaust was one, I like the sound of it when I was listening to it on some of the clips on YouTube, but I wanted the black, all black, because of the engine's all black. I took a ride with it without the baffle. Baffle's in now. Without the baffle, it draws too much attention. It's loud, very loud. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and keep the baffle in. As far as any increase in speed, maybe 1 mile per hour, 2 the most. But I love the way it sounds. I love the looks. It opened all this area up. Got rid of that factory exhaust by Honda. Look at it at this angle, in the back. It's a small can. These are the mufflers. They range from $100 to $800. And I could have bought any one of them. It took me a few months to decide which one I wanted. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. It has a deep sound to it. At idle, it's not that much louder than the factory exhaust. I mean, it is a little bit louder, but not that much. Go ahead and rev it up. It sounds more like a bike now. Before it sounded like a scooter with a clutch. Now it sounds like a bike. But I removed the baffle and I went down Main Street here where I live at, and it was drawing so much attention. Everyone was looking at me. I think I would have got pulled over several times by the cops here. And I could just feel the vibration of it, which that felt pretty good. So I think with this exhaust I could still do some hooligan type stuff, with it before, they'd call the cops on me. So yeah, this is the M4. If you're looking for a good exhaust for $300 shipped from Amazon, it's a good price. Another thing, with it being black, if it starts to, start rusting here, just remove it and repaint it. Where if it was chrome, there's not much you can do with it. Everyone's different. Someone likes the chrome mirror finish. And also, I prefer it being low mount than up here. All the weight is at the bottom now. And I couldn't believe how heavy that factory muffler was. It was very heavy. I don't know, I didn't weigh it. I'd say 12 pounds, 15 pounds. This here, when I took it out of the box, it felt like it was like 5-6 pounds. So I have the candy apple paint. I had a custom paint job done on it. That was the first thing I did to the Grom since I bought it. Second thing was the exhaust. And this has to go. I have to get a fender eliminator kit, get rid of that, and that's gonna really clean up the bike. So give it a clean look. Yeah, I'm loving the Grom more. I tell you what, another thing with the an exhaust, a full exhaust, custom exhaust, racing exhaust, whatever you want to call it, it's much more fun to ride compared to stock, because it gives you that motorcycle sound instead of the scooter sound. I'm very well pleased with it. You have many options to pick from. I saw some on Amazon for, I think it was like $125. The can was a little shorter. The one that Fooligan runs, I looked at that one for a while and just decided to go with them 4. Yeah, the Grom's looking good. Thanks for watching. Cajun Kevin out.